My favorite conditions to fish are overcast with light wind and drizzly, and that's what we have today. I'm here with SG Angling, and we're gonna try to get on some muskie. Oh, there's one right there, big one, you see that? Yeah. Oh my gosh, there we go.
That's a big fish.
Every now and then I get a little bit tired and I fish around with him and turn around. Oh, fish! Yeah. Oh my God, what is it?
I didn't think it was.
He whacked it. It's not small. It's a fucking channel cat. Sam's starting with a 4-play, little finesse bait, and then I'm going to start with a gold Raptor to imitate some of the gold forage in this lake.
Get that extended or no?
Yes. Yes, only because you have not extended it that many times, so then yes, we definitely should. We're getting a really late start today. It's almost 2 o'clock. We had a crazy front come in, and now it's finally calmed down. Dropped the temperature, overcast. So we don't really know how these fish are going to react to that. Hoping that they are still active, shallow, running around, smashing baits. That's the goal anyway.
One thing that people may not realize is that Patrick and I have a competition going on this year of who can catch the most muskies. Right now, it is 4-4. We are tied.
We can go to right now. It's 15 minutes away.
Oh, muskie.
Oh yeah, nice fish. Nice fish. All right, yeah. We shouldn't go anywhere. That was a whopper. That was a big one. We're like, oh, we should leave. Is he still there? That was 40 all day. Should we leave fish to find fish again? Yeah, I mean, maybe. Well, we wouldn't be making big giant runs like we would be on the river, so it's less of an issue to do it because we can always zip back to here really easily. But we are casting, we are buttering these waypoints right now. We're buttering this bread. I literally like almost never have follows on Raptors. They just eat it or nothing. This is kind of cool. Not saying never, but oh, fish, got him. Oh, that's a good fish. And I mean, yeah. It's not bad. Let's go, baby. 5-4.
5-4, you're in the lead.
Smack. Look how that bait is. Can you get that one for me? Look at that. Smoking Raptors. Look at that right there. I love it. Look how he's got it T-bone. I love the commentary beforehand. I want my phone footage. But I broke in my gold shiner, 8-inch Raptor.
Was this your first time ever handling a muskie?
He's funky. He's a funky guy.
It's funky for
Yeah. There you go. Perfect specimen. Look at him. Look at him. Just beautiful. All right, here we go. We're going 36.5. All right. Here we go. Ooh, face them into the wind here. Awesome. There he goes. Fish number 1 on the board. Sam raised a couple of fish, showed me one of his areas he likes on this lake. And then I was happy to happy to take advantage there. Actually smoked the bait, sun's coming out. We're sort of feeling like that was a welcome sign for these fish in this cold front. A little sun, a little warm them up. So we're on the board. Okay, just walking the dog here. Only landed the 1 fish, but we had action from like 5 other fish. So, you know, with that cold front, it made it a little tough. We had a little bit of a window right when the sun came out, kind of the middle of the afternoon, where we were moving fish and getting a couple bites. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.